Hey guys, welcome back to Delve Stack, and today I'll be showing you how to create an email group in Gmail. So to do this process, first things first is you could just simply go ahead and go to google.com, and now once you are here, you would just simply go ahead and go to the Gmail and make sure you are signed in into your account over here. Now, once you are here, you would just simply go ahead and go to the contacts over here on the left side of the screen. And from here, you could just simply go open a new tab on the top right corner over here. Now, over here, of course, just simply create a contact if you don't have any. But if you do, you should be able to see all of your contacts over here. Now, to create a group, you can just simply go for the labels over here, create label. So for example, I'm going to go for Delve Stack and click on save. And after that, select your contacts that you have right here. And you can just simply go ahead and go for manage labels over here on the top right. And you should go for Delve Stack over here and select apply. So pretty much from here, I could just simply go to the email. And now here we could go for the compose on the top left. And as you can see, when I go for the two, I could just simply go search for Delve Stack that we created. And from here, you should be able to have your team over here. And automatically, it will be sending to multiple emails all at once. And you just simply provide your subject over here and the description of the content that you are going to send to. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.